bet.
What's good, everybody? You already know we back. Episode 3 of the cast, broadcast. My boy Javin. We out here in Champaign. You know what I'm saying, for episode 3. Well, it's AJ. You already know the co-host. You already know how I'm coming. You feel me?
It's Javin. You already know.
Right.
Episode 3 now.
No intro needed.
To my right, we got.
I'm Alex. Go by AWOL.
Oh God. You feel me? To my left, we got
Sebastian at SBNXSS
okay.
on IG.
Okay. At it. And also, my boy.
We got Omar over here, but I ain't got no cool ass nickname like these niggas. So y'all can just call me Omar or O.
On me. And we out here in Champaign with the OGs, so we throwing it back today. So, biggest flex shit. Should I start it?
Yeah, might as well.
I'm gonna just flex, you feel me? Big bro T, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy BU, you know what I'm saying? Got his own little merch, so I had to support. It's pretty much, that's it, you already know.
My biggest flex, this is Supreme T. The Supreme yeah, I don't know. It's just decent. I've never really seen anybody rock it before either, so.
On me, some exclusive drip.
I had to keep it decent.
Alex.
I'll throw
Flex
my
on
shirt into the ring.
I like birds.
Crane stands.
You got chains on
You
that.
know,
Uh-huh.
like that's just it.
It'd be like
Spoke
that.
to me.
Real shit. Saber.
Shit, biggest flex. This is my microphone.
Real shit. Shout out to Saber for the mic and the interface and the whole shebang.
It's classic, bro.
Yeah, we got the whole shebang. Shout out to bro for real.
No problem.
On me. Omar, you wanna flex on the cam?
I got
Man, that shit hard, bro.
Yeah,
I peeped it earlier.
First time I wore
Yeah, show the cam, bro.
So I got a little
Represent
Uzi
it.
bird.
Yeah.
Bro, my homie George got me. Shout out George, Goofy Moggy, how it go?
Yeah, shout out George.
On the back.
Come on the show.
Eternal Take. What's up? Future in the future. You know.
Yeah, that's some real shit. That shit hard.
Appreciate it, bro. Thank
Hey.
you.
We gonna throw it back. This is some classic shit that I know that y'all will know.
Okay.
Feel me? That I know and shit from back in the day. All right, so let's get right into it, bro.
Oh, come on. You know where I'm gonna be on this one.
This is tough
Alright.
though.
Bro,
This
here's
is
the
still
thing.
tough though.
Oh, yeah,
Here's the
that's
thing.
hard.
Let me I'll start out by saying like both games are legendary,
Right.
but I will say in this specific lineup of Guitar Heroes versus Rock Bands, with Guitar Hero 3, like blows Rock
This
Band
is
out
a
of the
classic,
water.
yeah.
Like Guitar Hero 3
Yeah.
specifically. Like if you're gonna
Right.
take any Guitar Hero,
Right. That's
the
why
one.
I'm saying. That's why I took that one,
Like
bro.
Rock Band 2 still is like still goated. but
Right.
Nah, it's not Guitar Hero. It's
Right.
not Guitar Hero 3.
But like franchise though, franchise wise, which one you
Oh,
going with?
franchise.
The more that time went on, I liked Rock Band more. And it was, especially because they were first with the drums and all that, and like that shit's rough.
Yeah, it was rough. Javen.
I don't know. Guitar Hero 3 is classic. It's Through the
That's
Fire
what
and
I'm
Flames was so
saying.
cool.
Yeah.
Through the
It's like
Fire and
final,
Flames.
final track that
Right.
you got playing that at the credits. Was
Oh
hard.
God.
But Rock Band 2 did have the whole ensemble. That was
Yeah.
kind of decent.
Mhm.
That was fun for like hella people.
Yeah.
Like when you have more than one person over you, like
Yeah,
you
true.
start
And
having
that Killers. What was the Killer song? on
When
that?
you were young, was that on there?
No, that was
That
the
was on
first
Guitar
Rock Band.
Hero.
Yeah,
That was
that
also
was
on Guitar Hero.
different. That was different.
That shit was a classic. Boy, easier one.
Out of all the rock bands, Rock Band won. I had to.
Mm-hmm.
On me. I might go Guitar Hero though. Did you play them? Like growing
I
up?
would say Rock Band too, just for the nostalgia purposes. Like,
Yeah.
You know, like this, like Guitar Hero 3 specifically is why I even started playing guitar like seriously.
Damn, yeah.
Yeah.
Like I knew how to. I liked to tinker around before, but then I was like, yo, let me be Slash.
Oh my God.
No
you
cap.
could play as Slash, and I was like, wow, he's kicking my ass in this guitar battle, but I'll beat him one day.
On
One of
me.
these days.
Guitar Hero 3, honestly.
I remember
Slow Ride.
Oh my
I
God.
played, yeah, I was playing Slow Ride and I was like dancing and vibing and shit. But I was on easy and I failed. And I was so blown. And then Michael, I was in Nadia, I started clowning me because I had all the dance moves, but I failed.
Slow Ride.
The game really does bully you when you get into that red part of the meter.
Yeah,
They'll
niggas start booing you. Niggas get
like-
on your ass.
And also, you know, I will give to Rock Band the controllers. Like, the controller for the guitar was way quieter.
Yeah.
than
Oh,
the
yeah.
Guitar Hero controller. It'd be
That shit was clicking every time.
Oh
Flanky
my
as
God.
hell. Alright, bet. On to the next one, though. Alright, bet. I had to do this, bro, because this nigga's been quiet for a minute. But, like, as far as the whole... I'm talking the whole, catalog.
Whole catalog.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm still probably gonna go to Kendrick, and I know that's just like a I don't know, like kind of like a service level. It's like, well, yeah, everyone says Kendrick's the GOAT, but it's just like, I think consistently the projects have been more focused and they've been more ambitious.
Okay.
I feel you.
I
Like-
feel that. I like that take.
And
I like that take though.
Yeah.
It's not some bullshit.
'Cause
So
I
I
c-
like that.
Like I liked For Your Eyes Only a lot, and I remember when it dropped, no one else that I asked
Yeah,
liked it.
nobody
No
liked
one
it.
liked it, but I
Yeah.
was like, hey, I like this line. And everyone was like, no, it's trash. I was like, okay.
Right. And
But then like years later, everyone's like, bro, but that For Your Eyes Only, bro, that was his best fucking shit, bro.
Right.
And I was like, kill myself.
Right.
Come on, man.
Jamin.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it up to Kendrick.
I'm gonna just go Cole, bro, to just be that nigga to say Cole.
We have heard more from Cole than Kendrick in recent
Yeah,
years.
there's
so
more projects. Not saying that they're better projects.
Okay, hold on. Now I got like a side question, like some side action on this whole thing.
What?
So like, whose Black Friday song was better? Y'all remember those?
The
I think it was.
original one was
I
better.
think he freestyled over the No Role Models, John.
Yeah.
And then J Cole got on the. What the fuck am I thinking, bro?
I
Holy
know what
shit.
you're talking about.
Oh man.
Comment
I can't think of
below
it.
if you know
Yeah,
the
niggas
answer.
know what we're talking
It might have.
about, bro.
Was it the Black and the Bear?
Remember?
Hold
But
on.
anyway, Kendrick.
It was the eye. It was the eye.
True.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what it
yeah, that's what it is. It's alright.
Redact-
And if you
redacted.
didn't
Comment below. Fuck you, nigga. Okay, but yeah, what were you saying?
I picked Kendrick.
That's
Honestly,
crazy.
because between both of them, my favorite song is High Power. And that's crazy because J. Cole made that beat. But I'm going to still have to go with Kendrick because I think he's a better lyricist. And then, I don't know, that whole petty shit that J. Cole was going on Twitter.
with no name and shit.
Yeah, making that whole
don't-
no-name
don't
thing
hold
about
that
her.
against
shit
him.
was
Nah,
a
that
little
was
bit,
lame. Come on, bro.
Don't hold that against
Do
him right,
better,
in this
J.
conversation.
Cole. Do better.
Especially because No Name really, like, fucking, like, guilted him for that. Like, really shamed his ass for
Yeah.
that in her response.
Yeah, because, like, it wasn't, like, you made it about you.
Right. It was a little bit, like, okay, not what we were asking about. you know?
Yeah. Timing was a little off on that one, but it's all good.
So I'm gonna go Kendrick. Just same thing that Javin said. We're saying lyrically, I fuck with him more. Like I feel like his hit more the heart. Like Section 8 was so fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So
True.
cool.
I feel like the
Damn
general
raw.
consensus is like, I feel like we gravitate towards Kendrick not because J. Cole isn't good enough. It's
No,
more
he's
just
right.
Kendrick exceeds.
Yeah.
you know?
I feel it.
Yeah.
Well, shout out to both them niggas come on the show, bro. I know y'all watching, bro. Management, get up with us, all that good stuff, bro. All right, bro.
Oh,
this
man.
this is a tough one, bro, because we going right. They're not going against no other
Actually, I don't-
artists.
I don't-
They're
I
going
don't
against
know.
each other, bro.
I don't know what I can pick yet. You know.
No,
It's
I
tough.
know.
It's a tough.
You don't
I
know?
gotta- I gotta track list for track list. This shit. I gotta think.
Alright, yeah, no, I'm gonna
tough.
definitely go with Meteor.
I was
bro.
gonna say
I
that's
got
my
it. That's what
first
I'm
grab. That's
saying,
my
Bro,
bro.
Hybrid
you know?
Theory was the first CD I ever had.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Shit,
for
maybe
real,
too
like,
low-key.
physical CD.
But I don't know. Meteor is just a more cohesive project. Just got more of every angle that Linkin Park can take.
Me and Alex both got the track.
Yeah, let me see the track list when
Bro.
you're done.
Like Somewhere I Belong's on there.
Yeah, no.
On me, lying
But I
from
honestly,
you,
I didn't
hit
even
the
get
floor.
into
Faint.
that one until later.
Faint.
You know?
And then the Fame music video.
Bro, the
Oh
top
my
track-
God.
Niggas watch that music video too many times.
They had the In the End, which is played everywhere
Yeah.
now.
Mhm.
Yeah.
yeah.
That's
And
like
And that's
a
like that's
immortalized
even got
song.
like meme value
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
You know?
No cap.
Meme value.
But I
That's,
mean, Numb's on here.
That's what's up.
Crawling
Breaking
on
the
shit.
Habit.
yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody's Listening's on
Yeah, that's
here.
tough. Yeah, honestly, nobody listening is tough. Hold on.
That shit might
Might
be
go
like a
Meteor.
classic, like a rock,
Meteor.
classic. Yeah, Meteor. Shout out
You-
Meteor.
Don't forget about Crawling though, and
It's
One
true,
Step Closer.
true.
Points of Authority.
One Step
Hey,
Closer,
but
bro.
Meteor-
Place for my head.
Yeah, Meteor's my pick, but it was my first love is why.
I feel you.
Yeah.
Valid.
Real quick, if we omitted those two albums from the discography, would you pick one to be like that one?
Is there a different one I would pick to put up
Yeah,
there?
like if there was no, if you couldn't pick those two
What was
albums,
that one with the
Minutes
black and
to
white cover?
Midnight.
Oh,
Yeah,
was
yeah,
lucky.
that one
Minutes to
for
Midnight,
sure.
That's,
Definitely.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
probably gonna be
In
the one.
Pieces guitar solo, bro.
Yeah. In
You're right,
pieces,
you're
and there
right.
was another one with
No,
the
what was
guitar
the
solo.
one with
I mean,
what was the one
what-
with the Catalyst on it? Because that one was fire.
A Thousand Suns.
A
Yeah,
Thousand Suns was a good
yeah.
album.
I fuck with the Hunting
That was
Party more than
late.
the Thousand Suns.
No, I
That
like
was
A
late
Thousand
Linkin
Suns.
Park.
King.
Hey, Black Ops 2 or Modern Warfare 2, bro. Me and Javen and Paz were talking about this earlier.
Yeah, we were.
What was
should
the
we take
consensus?
this piece by piece? Should we go campaign?
We don't have to go
multiplayer?
piece by piece, yeah, but we did at the time.
Honestly, you might as well just like a short overview of each.
First of all, campaign Modern Warfare 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got a better campaign. It was more topical. It's not some
Yeah,
shit
yeah,
that's
yeah.
back in time like
It was
Treyarch
kinda
always
relatable.
does
Yeah.
with Black Ops, bro.
But that's just kind of their thing.
That's
though.
their thing. It's okay, and plus they have zombies.
Yeah.
Which I
Yeah.
No,
imagine
that's
that-
the
so
deal
that's
breaker.
their-
for
yeah.
Okay,
Modern
but that's the
Warfare.
thing.
Yeah.
Is it zombies or Spec Ops? Which one is better?
Nah, it's
The
definitely
zombies
zombies.
was fun
Definitely
as
zombies.
shit though.
Spec Ops was fun, but like it's definitely not zombies.
Yeah.
Which one do you think has the better
25.
maps, multiplayer maps?
That
That's tough.
Nuketown and
Yeah,
shit.
I mean,
was
like,
raw.
no,
Isn't all
bro.
of them
Modern
though,
Warfare
at
2
this
had Terminal.
Doesn't
It
have
had
fire?
Oh, yeah,
it had
it
High
had-
Rise.
it had
I forgot
Rust in
about
there,
that.
too.
Oh yeah, Rust.
Rust, yeah.
Rust was rough.
Oh my god.
Could not
Okay,
make it
yeah.
back in it. I don't know. I feel like yeah. Modern Warfare 2 has it for me. Like
Yeah.
when it got down to it, you came to Rust in Modern Warfare 2 to
Exactly.
settle
You,
shit.
yeah,
Yeah,
that's where it is.
That's where
Niggas
you're like,
handling their
okay,
one-on.
you've been talking nothing but shit.
Right,
Bring
right.
your ass here.
Right.
Quick scopes only.
I swear. Oh,
And I would
man.
always get clowned for using the Barrett and not the intervention.
Nah,
Quick
True,
scopes, I was
true
taking
that.
L's left
True
and
that.
right, bro. I'm gonna be real with y'all.
True that.
Um,
You Black Ops 2 game for
Yeah,
sure,
yeah.
right?
Nuketown
Niggas
is
are
a
zombies,
classic.
man.
That's true.
Yeah,
Yeah.
undeniably.
No cap. So yeah, that's a tough one. Oh yeah, this is a
Mm,
tough one too.
interesting.
graduation.
Oh yeah, you don't want to
Yeah,
speak
I
on
know.
this?
Fuck Kanye.
Okay,
Ain't no fuck Kanye,
but like politics aside or nah? For
Okay,
the sake
fine.
of the video,
okay.
what project?
I'm going with graduation. I'm gonna just say that.
Yeah, graduation.
I'm that type of nigga, bro.
I
Like,
have
I
to be the
agree.
naysayer on that. And that's only because it used to be graduation, but then I started to appreciate his production so much more.
Mm.
And like I know that's just like not everyone would listen to a rapper for the production, but it's just
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying, like the shit they pulled off on My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fancy was just like
Yeah.
you get more of like a personal look at Kanye to me on graduation, and so like there's more heart
Yeah,
in
he
that
was
record.
really on his shit.
You know, like I feel like it's more of like a charisma type thing, and then like on My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fancy, you're just like, okay, he's on some, all right, but like, so you can't not listen because you're just like, this is kind of new. At least when
Yeah.
it came out, when it came out,
Yeah.
it was
True.
new.
Shout out to
I don't know.
that.
That's
Shout
not
out to
until we switch
Yeah.
to graduate, like from graduation now.
yeah.
I'm going graduation.
It's got classics on
Like
it,
Barry
bro.
Bonds,
Come on, Barry
that Cayenne,
Bonds.
Lil Wayne.
I
bro.
So many.
Wonder,
I
Flashing
Wonder.
lights.
Morning. Oh man. What's
Yeah.
the one with Homecoming?
Homecoming,
Chicago. Yeah, come on. Yeah.
The Glory.
I got
Big
the.
Brother on that, bro?
See, I'm
Yeah,
biased. I already
Big
got
Brother
the poster in my
with
room.
Glory.
You
Yeah.
feel me?
Yeah.
Everything.
And then
bro.
you know Styx is on the cover.
It's true.
Shout out to
Shout
Sticks, bro. Get this nigga on the show somehow, bro. Please.
Book the flight.
On
You
me.
know you're watching.
Honestly.
This is a good one for me,
Ooh,
bro.
Interesting.
Alright.
Interesting.
Because like I fuck with both of them heavy, bro.
I don't know. Blonde came out at a time for me that personally it like really hit, and that shit was really cool. And also I was hanging out with Elijah Gray all the time, and he was like the biggest Frank Ocean fan I've ever met in my entire life. Shout out Gray.
Shout out Elijah Gray.
I mean,
That's a
I don't know. Channel Orange kind of has like more of a flow, like as an album.
Yeah, they want us to end the cast, man. They don't want us to overload the file, bro.
What's the next one? I'm just
Yeah.
curious.
Let me see if there is another one.
Oh man.
Oh, yeah, this is
why'd you
all-
put the good ones for last, bro?
This is a tough one though, because
Nah.
it's two different type of.
This is a
Hip-hop.
little bit
Yeah,
of
I
apples and
agree.
oranges.
I
Would
agree.
you say Joey Badass?
Of course.
Of course.
You kind of.
They're both classic as
But
fuck,
like,
though, in
Darius
different
Spray
ways.
was like, I just remember
Classic
playing
as
that
fuck.
so many times. But Badass is probably
Fuck,
definitely
what you heard, God,
like
listen to
definitely
all
a
the
better
trap
rapper,
niggas.
like over Future any day.
Lyricist,
Yeah, the
bro.
lyrics was
Yeah,
different on it.
lyricist.
Cold.
He
Fuck.
said no votes
I
for
don't
a
even
toxic
know.
king out here.
hold on.
I'll cast my vote if
Hold
no
on.
one else will.
It had, I'm trying to figure
Freak
out.
Hole. It had
Slave Master. It
the
had
the
TikTok,
Percocet and stripper joint,
where,
nigga.
yeah,
What?
I Sir the Bass. I thought it was a drought.
Yeah, so many
Man.
classics. I'm not even talking artist this time. Just like these two
Still.
projects. Yeah, I feel it. What do you think, Omar?
I'm gonna just go with Future. Like that's me.
That shit's a
But
classic.
granted though, I haven't listened to that album.
Oh,
My
okay.
bad.
Yeah, okay.
Badass.
Listen to
Yeah,
that
yeah,
album at
yeah.
some point, bro.
Yeah.
Jesus View was cold.
Yes,
Yeah.
bro.
And Christ
Jesus
Conscious.
View.
Christ Conscious.
And the one with CJ
He-
Fly. Nah, damn, I'm blanking right now. Damn.
Fuck it, bro. Y'all niggas, everybody that we mentioned, come on the show. Yeah, we gonna wrap up the cast, bro.
Thank you all for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Episode 3. You know, we out here had to do it big in Champaign
Yeah,
with the
bro.
bros,
Of
with the
course.
OGs. You know what I'm saying? Me and Javen brought it out. Thank y'all for coming on the show.
you for
Appreciate
having
it.
us, actually.
Till next time, y'all be smooth, be easy, be safe, wash your hands,
Wear a mask.
do all of the above, and we out. Peace.